Hey guys, what's up? So today we are drawing Velociraptor Blue from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. So let's start with the video. So I start with drawing a circle for the head. Then I draw a curve like this for the neck. Then I'm drawing another circle, a bigger one. This is the torso. Just to put it out there, even I can't draw perfect circles. Then behind it is another circle, that is the hip. And if I join these two like this, I get the spine. And I extend this line like this, that's the tail. Now these two are the areas where the arms will attach. I'm drawing these lines for the arms, 1 and then 2. This is the palm area, then there are 3 fingers. So 1, 2 and then the claw. 1, 2 and then the claw, 1, 2 and then the claw. Moving on to the other arm, the upper part, then the lower part, palm area, then 1, 2, claw, 1, 2, claw, 1, 2 and claw. I'm moving on to the legs. Again I'm going to use 3 lines for the leg. This is the thigh area, then the middle part, then the lower part of the leg. A circle for the foot area, and there are 3 fingers, 1, 2 and the third one with the sharp curved claw. I think the tail can be a little bit bigger. Okay, so the other leg, the thigh area, the middle part of the leg, then the lower area, circle for the foot. This is the same finger with a sharp claw. So there are actually a 4th claw, which is the dew claw, but in this pose it won't be visible. Now for the head, I'm drawing this elongated shape for the snout. And we're pretty much done with this. I'll just label all these things: head, torso, hip, tail, 1, 2, 3 for the legs and 1, 2 for the arms. Yep, pretty much done with the structure. Now we'll start with detailing this thing. So Blue has slender and muscular arms. So this is the bicep area. Then this is the lower forearm. I don't know. I'm not very good with terminologies. I'm using ovals for the finger segments and outlining this to give it a finger looking form. Similarly the second one. And the third one. I'll add some form to the leg now. Number 1 is the thigh area. We can draw it like this. Then the middle part, which is number 2. Then the lower foot area. I'm drawing 2 ovals for each toe and then the claw at the end. I'll outline these ovals to make them look like toes. It's always good if you have a reference image for drawing these parts. They differ from animal to animal. So the second toe. And the third one. This is the toe with the peculiar curved claw. You can make lines like these to make the toes look longer. I'm drawing the stomach and the chest area. Now the other arm. You can draw it like this. This arm visually appears a bit smaller than the other one because of the pose. Coming to the palm area and the fingers. You know the drill. 3 ovals for the 3 segments and then the claw. The second one. The claw part of the third finger is hidden. I'll outline these ovals. Okay, the third finger will be visible, third finger will be visible but not the claw. Okay, fun fact. Claw and nails are both very similar. Both are made of the same substance, that is keratin, but claws are curved and pointed, whereas nails are flat and dull. Now the other leg. A very little part of the thigh is visible, then the lower part, then a little part is visible here, and then the leg extends like this along the structure lines that we drew. We're now at the foot area. Again, I'm drawing circles or ovals for the toes, and then the outline. Yep, so you know what to do. So I'm drawing the back like this, and then I'm drawing the tail. A little bit of the hip would be visible, and then complete the tail like this. Don't draw a very pointy tail. It can be a little bit longer though. Yep, that looks fine. We've reached the head now. First I'll darken these lines so at least it's visible in the video. This circle for the head. Divide the circle like this and then divide this half of this area like this. This is where we can start the head. Let me just erase this line here. Draw a curve like this for the lower jaw and then a straight line. We have a rough form for the head now. Now I'll refine the jaw like this. I just realized how many times I've used the word this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Blue has this eyebrow ridge. The upper jaw has this curve going downwards. I'm drawing this line so that I get a proportional, upper jaw, so that it's not too big or too small. She's got this soft snout, and then you can draw this bump like this, and then the other eyebrow ridge. Dinosaur skulls, they have holes in them. It makes their skull lighter, and when skin is wrapped around this area, visually from the outside, it looks like an indent like this. Blue has got big eyes. Draw some wrinkles around for the eyelids. She's got this vertical split pupil in the eye. Like we humans have circular pupils, she has this vertical slit. The jaw has this muscle on the side. Okay, so I'm drawing small teeth, not very close together. Tongue can be a little difficult to draw. If you're having trouble, just don't make it stick out like I'm drawing it. Just make it lay down on the floor of the mouth. And then the teeth on the upper jaw. And if you actually give the eye this winged liner, it'll actually look like a female. now we are done with the line art. You can leave it here if you want to. I'll just erase the constructions. It should look something like this. So Blue, she has this blue pattern that runs across her body, starting from the eye, and it ends at the tail. You can draw it like this. Okay, now I'll shade this pattern with my pencil. I added some wrinkles on the back of the head. I'll curve the head and the snout a little bit. The velociraptors in Jurassic World have a bit softer features compared to the ones in the Jurassic Park. Then there are these bumps that run from the head, and towards the tail they start to fade away. It looks something like this. It looks pretty good. You can leave it here if you want to, because the shading and details are going to be a time lapse. But I'll give you some points, some important points that you can use for shading. So my drawing is done. It looks like this, and if you wait long enough, so guys, if you like the video, subscribe, comment below what you think about the video, and you can even send me your drawings. My email address is there in the description. Thanks for watching.